Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to choose display over here and click on brightness level. After that, tap on this little icon next to brightness slider, and as you can see, adaptive brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same icon. You can also go into tap menu and click on the same icon next to brightness slider over here to switch on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!